welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use Flashloop with Veo 3 on PC step by step, so you can create clean, consistent videos without confusion. Let's get into it. So here we're going to check Explore. In the Explore page, as you can see, these are different characters. You can create your avatar here. You can create different characters you prefer, you want to use. It all depends on you. It's totally your choice. You choose what you want, and then you can just use anything. As you can see here, it says video inspiration. It all depends on what you prefer. You just choose and use. But that's not why we're here. We'll go back to the home. Okay, let's create a video. Okay, like you can see, we have our credits here. The credit is usually gotten from, you can use your card to pay. You can as well use I usually use my Apple ID because I use an iPhone. I use my Apple ID to buy my credit. So it depends on you. I mean, you can redeem your card. You can use your gift card. You can purchase using your Apple ID. That's what I mean exactly. So now let's create our first video. Okay, click on create video. As you can see, this is our space for our prompt. So we have to figure out what prompt we're going to be creating. We're going to be using to create our video. So it depends on you. What do you want to create? Anything you like, you can just create. But usually you don't use certain, there are some restrictions. For example, I noticed when I try to create with someone's face, let's say popular figure, let's say for example using a president's face, it's going to reject it. It's going to fail. So it depends on, you just have to know what you can use, so you use it very well. So as you can see here, we have the AI enhance. You can see we have the Veo 3, Sora 2. These are the engines used in creating. So you choose whichever one you want. You see Veo 3 has 1000 credits, Sora 2 has 3000 credits. You just choose. Better for me, I use Veo 3. It's cheaper. As you can see, just 1000 credit. You see the 916. This is for Instagram. 16.9 for YouTube. For your desktop. So now we have to get our prompt. We're going to use ChatGPT to get our prompt. So right now we're on ChatGPT. So here you just type on ChatGPT whatever you want. You just ask it, give me a prompt. As you can see, what I'm using here is give me a prompt for we just see the prompt, and then the prompt we're going to be creating from here is what we're going to paste in that section where it says create video on Flashloop. You understand? So we'll paste it there. That's what we're going to be using. So let's create our prompt now. As soon as it's created, we'll copy it from here and paste it over on Flashloop. Okay, as you can see, it's generating our prompt. So all you have to do here is you just copy the prompt. You just copy the prompt and take it over to Flashloop. Okay, we're going to paste our prompt here. Good. So I'm going to remove the hyphens, that is the dashes. I don't really think it means much, but it's just what I like to do. I prefer it without it. So remember what I said, the 916 is for your Instagram reels, the vertical videos. Then the other type is for YouTube videos. So you choose which one you want. As you can see, we're going to be making like a YouTube video, so we'll be choosing 16:9. We'll be choosing 16:9 for this particular tutorial. Okay, so we're going to choose this. and then we'll come to the engines. As you can see, remember I told you about this Veo 3, Sora 2. You choose the one you prefer. If you choose Sora 2, you know you're going to be wasting 3,000 credits just for generating one video. But when you choose Veo 3, you're using 1,000 just for one video. So it saves us more money, or more credit rather. So now we're creating our video. We just have to wait for the videos to generate. So while our video is generating, I'll explain. As you can see on the right hand side, you see some videos that have already been generated. So what does that tell you? It means that these 3 videos, you see, they are very consistent. And why are they consistent? Because I used a photo reference while creating the videos. The videos were not created on this PC. They were created on my phone. As you can see on the PC, there is no place. If you check very well, there's no place for video reference. Sorry, for photo reference. And it's important to use photo reference to maintain consistency. So you can see here, we don't have any place on the PC for photo reference. But when you use your phone, your iPhone, for example, there is a place for that. So now let's watch. This is the video that was created. Okay, you can see this is the video that was created. So it's as easy as that. You just watch it again. This is the video that was created. See how beautiful it is. So everything depends on your prompt. If you have a very good prompt, you get very good videos. You need to explain specifically what you want. You need to put the words there if you want to achieve what you want. If you want an ultra realistic, you put it there. If everything you want, you have to specify. That's how AI works. So you can see this is the video that was created, that was generated. So like I told you, the other 3 videos, image reference was used on my iPhone. If you use a phone, you're going to see a place for image reference, but on the PC, there isn't anything like that yet. So it's important to note that and understand. Well, that's it for this video. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more practical AI tutorial videos. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you guys.